There's a quiet kind of heartbreak that doesn't explode your world. It just slowly unravels it. The moment you realize someone you loved has stopped choosing you, not loudly, not cruelly, just quietly, like a door closing in the distance. And you feel it in your chest before you understand it in your mind. You notice the way their voice loses its warmth, the way their messages become shorter, the way their presence feels lighter, almost like they're already drifting someplace. You can't follow, and the truth hurts, but it doesn't scream. It whispers. It whispers things like, "You're losing them, and they're not here with you anymore." But this time, instead of fighting the truth, I want you to breathe with it. Because sometimes losing someone isn't a punishment. It's the beginning of finding yourself again. You didn't fail. You didn't push them away. You didn't cause their heart to wander. Some people just don't know how to stay, even when they promise they will. And that has nothing to do with your worth. Maybe you tried to hold the relationship together with both hands. Maybe you poured your heart into every crack. Maybe you kept showing up even when they stopped meeting you halfway. You did your best. And that's enough. Your effort was never the problem. Their inability to receive it was. There's a kind of healing that begins the moment you stop blaming yourself. When you stop replaying every moment, every conversation, every sign you think you missed. You didn't miss anything. You simply loved with a heart that was open. And they loved with a heart that wasn't ready. It's okay to feel the hurt. It's okay to grieve someone who's still alive. It's okay to miss memories that feel like home. Healing isn't about pretending it didn't hurt. It's about learning to breathe through the parts that still ache. One day you'll understand that their leaving wasn't the end of your story. It was the end of a chapter that taught you more about yourself than you ever expected. It taught you how deeply you can love, how loyal you can be, how much you're willing to fight for someone you believe in. And that matters, because someone out there is going to look at that softness inside you and stay. Someone is going to feel your depth not as pressure, but as peace. Someone is going to hear your voice and feel safe. Someone is going to choose you on the days you don't feel like choosing yourself. And they won't replace you. They won't drift. They won't love you halfway. So let this be the moment you choose yourself again. Let this be the moment you stop chasing someone who handed you their absence. Let this be the moment you breathe into the truth that hurt you. And let it set you free. You didn't lose them. You released someone who wasn't meant to stay. And now, you're making space for someone who will.